So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace old, worn out, dingy headlights on a 2001 Nissan Sentra. So these headlights I've polished them with 500, 1000, 1500 and 2000 grit sandpaper, and then polished them with an orbital buffer, and they cleared up and stayed good for, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 months, and then they just went right back to being dingy again. So I ordered myself a set of headlights off of eBay. They weren't very expensive. They're like $60 or so. So I'm going to replace those. So that's what these guys look like. So crystal clear, brand new. They're also DOT, Department of Transportation, so they meet all the regulations for lighting or whatever. But the issue I was having with the other ones is they just look ugly, and then they're not very bright. So when I'm driving at night in the dark, I just can't see very well because that's hindering the ability of the light to come through that plastic. So we're going to get the lights put in, put you guys on a time lapse. You can watch the assembly. A lot of things that hold it on. So you've got just a couple of 10mm bolts here and here. And then you have to take the front little plastic fasteners off to get the front grille out, and then the headlight will just slide right off. So what you're seeing, the resistance, this little pin kind of slides into a little plastic clip. And I was trying to get that to pop over that lip, so that's what's kind of holding that in, besides just the 2 bolts on the top. That one was broken. So here's a good look at the difference. Pretty huge. Here's a look at the back of the headlight. So, just like the factory one. It has rubber weather seals around here. It's made out of, looks like cast aluminum. And the stock turn signal bulb clicks right in. Well, here's a look at the finished product. Pretty significant difference. Those things are a lot brighter. I got a LED 6000K or 6000 Kelvin, basically the light color. So they're super clear white. Look a lot brighter than they did before. So I'm pretty happy with it. You can tell that these lights are definitely made in China. I mean, they fit okay. They don't fit as good as the factory ones. Messed around with them a little bit, and that's as good as they're going to fit in there. That's just the way they're made. So I don't really care too much about looks, because this is just a commuter and it's about functionality, not about show car-ness. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and see you next time.